welcome back to my channel. So if you've not been here before, my name's Emer and my business page is Beauty Box by Emer. And today I'm going to show you how to do a structured brow. And if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Get a wee spoolie and get a wee concealer brush and an eyebrow brush. I'm using the Zoeva one. It's the 317. It's quite good. Any eyebrow product you want with a bit of gel on it. Making sure that your eyebrow brush is very thin. You want to go 3/4 in, up the top, like so. And you can see them from my pupil, where my arch is meant to be, so it's meant to be around here. So I'm just going to get a wee bit of powder and just lightly. And now from the end of your eye, like here, this is where the tail is supposed to be. And I'm just going to go up to the front of the brow and just lightly going up. Now for the wee concealer underneath, I want to sharpen it up. So I'm going to use the illamasqua one, and I really like that one actually. And just get my finger and just blend it out around the front. So you want to use your wee spoolie and just brush up the hairs and use a wee gel. I just use the wee Rimmel London one. And there you have it. A structured brow. So I'd really appreciate if you could give a wee subscribe if you've not been here before. It's your first time. If you like my videos, then give it a wee like. That'd be really appreciative.